Welcome back guys, Finn here, and this is module number 2, Fundamental of CPA Marketing. In this video, I am gonna explain to you what is CPA, what is the difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, big opportunity in CPA, how to calculate CPA, benefits of CPA marketing for beginners, and what you need to find best CPA networks. Well, CPA stand for cost per action, which means that these networks pays you for the desired action your visitors make on your CPA offer page. CPA is very simple. You get paid when someone click on your affiliate link and complete an action. And the action can be anything such as sign up for a trial, filling out a form, one page or zip code submit, buying or downloading something, playing games, free registration, and many more. And this is why CPA marketing is considered the fastest and easiest way to make money online. Okay, so what is the difference between CPA marketing and affiliate marketing? CPA marketing is affiliate marketing, but a lot different from the traditional affiliate marketing. In CPA marketing, you will be able to generate income without selling any product, whereas the traditional affiliate marketing, you need to wait for a product to be sold in order to earn your commission. In CPA marketing, the payment is for each action your reader completes and the payment is for each sale you refer. With CPA, you can earn 1 cent to $50, but in affiliate marketing depends on the commission rate. And readers did not want to purchase anything in CPA marketing, and in affiliate marketing, readers wants to purchase the product. Okay, now I want to tell you that what is the big opportunity in CPA marketing. There is really a big opportunity on CPA marketing, especially if you are thinking to build a successful business on internet. There are many models and many opportunities out there for people who are looking to build an internet marketing business. But I think that CPA marketing is one of the most promising route that you can take as a beginner in this industry. And why I think so? There are many big companies which are recently investing heavily on online lead generation. I'm talking about really big companies such as Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, EA Games, etc. They are investing lots of money on online lead generation because they have realized their strategy is one of the most profitable strategy for running long term. Because when they pay affiliate just to generate sales, they get few potential customers who already bought their product. But when they pay affiliates to generate leads, then the affiliates send many potential customers to them and they can turn many of those leads into long-term very profitable customer. So that's why they invest a lot on online lead generation. And of course, if those companies investing heavily on online lead generation, then there is really a big opportunity for affiliates that they can make lots of money in this industry. So next, focus on how to calculate CPA. Well, CPA is calculated dividing cost by conversion or dividing cost per click by conversion rate. And here is the formula to calculate CPA. Let's have a look on it. Okay, now let's see few benefits of CPA marketing. So if you are in newbie in internet marketing and if you see don't have successful business on internet, CPA could be really great route for you. Just start building your business. The first one I want to say that it is more profitable than other. Okay, let me explain it. Many people are not able to difference between the CPA and CPA marketing. While CPA means cost per action, CPC means cost per click. CPC marketing is Facebook ads, Google AdWords, ad centers, etc. The problem of CPC marketing is that marketers have to pay for each click of the announcement made by visitors, regardless of the fact that if they result in the sale or not. However, CPA is more profitable for traders because it requiring the visitor to perform a specific action that can lead to be a possible sale. Number 2, it is totally a home business that requires no capital. CPA marketing is one of the easiest and cheapest of business that can be set from home. Anyone can make money from home through the CPA marketing. It is one of the most lucrative method of internet marketing which requires little knowledge of internet marketing to start. One of the most obvious characteristic of CPA marketing is that it requires no capital to start. All you need for this business is a website that can generate enough traffic. Third one, I want to say that you can earn money without selling products. To make money with this type of marketing is not required to convince people to buy any product. Only it requires convincing people to register their personal data to seller. In this sense, make money with CPA marketing is very easy compared to other internet marketing methods. Another distinctive aspect of cost per action marketing is selling business ideas instead of selling products. A CPA affiliate only have to convince people to subscribe from the suppliers to receive payment. The subscription may involve filling out forms with information to get a free trial of the product. This action by the visitor takes the affiliate to gain an advantage, and this is the key to the affiliate receive a payment from the seller. Number 5, CPA always bring good income without much effort. With the CPA affiliate marketing, you can make money with putting much effort. All you need to bring traffic to your website or landing pages. Income can vary from $1 to $20 or even more. Therefore, it is well established that making money with CPA marketing is much easier than with any other internet marketing company. Next, we will focus on how to find best CPA network. So now when we know that what is CPA affiliate network, so it is time to join one. Well, there are lots of CPA network available on internet. Few are good, few are average. But how can you know that which network pays you exactly what you deserve? So let me show you a few guidelines that you can use when you will going to join a CPA network. The first one is research. The easiest and quickest way to know about a affiliate network, which is research. You need to do research on it. The more you will do research, the more quickly you know about it. There are literally hundreds of CPA network available on internet, so you can get easily overwhelmed by the variety of this industry provide. But if you research it well before joining a network, then you can easily understand it that this network will be suitable for you or not. You can Google it, you can visit forums or blogs related to CPA network, even you can ask your friends who are involved in CPA business. You need to know what other pupils are saying about the network. You need to know about the advantage and disadvantage of the network. Number 2, talk to other marketers. Another best way to find out which CPA network are best is by simply talking to other marketers. You can join groups like Warrior forums, or you can visit Facebook groups on CPA marketing. And if you ask, most marketers will tell you about their experience, both good and bad. Look for responses from internet marketers you respect and trust most. Their input will prove invaluable. Number 3, call the CPA network. The CPA networks you are considering will ask you a tons of questions about your online marketing experience before approving you to work with them. But that does not mean that you should not ask them some question as well. Find out who you would be working with and ask about the type of support you will be getting from the company as you work to send them business. Use your gut instinct and don't spend too much time with any company you are not comfortable dealing with. Number 5, payment. Here are few ways you can get paid, like check, wire and PayPal are common ways affiliate networks are using. But until the first payment is received, don't push their offer too hard and wait to see if payment is exactly on time and the received payment is absolutely correct or not as they promised to you. I personally have tried many CPA networks. Some of them are great and others are not so good. And from my personal choice, 3 of my best CPA network which are suitable for beginners are Maxbounty, A4D and Prefly. I found they are very reliable and trusted CPA network that always pays on time. They are very easy to join and newbie friendly. They have provide a great customer support. Even you will have your own affiliate manager who will be available 24/7 hours for your FAQ. And number 4, these networks are always provide great offers with high payouts from different niches. Well, I am not advertising these networks. As I said, this is only my personal choice, and like I said before, it is totally up to you that which network will be suitable for you. Better if you research it yourself. At last, we can say that if you are seeking a career in online marketing, you can easily test the CPA marketing. Some basic knowledge and research is the only requirement to get the desired success in this business sector. However, if you think about doing something really great in this sector, we must devote much more time and effort. Research is essential to make big money. It is really very possible to create a great professional and financial life by running a business like CPA marketing. Okay, so this was all about CPA marketing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.